Hey folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you today. This is the little soprano scale instruments that I make from shop scraps from time to time. And for this one, the body is all mahogany, and the neck is yellow cedar, but I decided to stain them to match each other, and I really like that vibe once in a while. And then the rest is walnut. It's got Grover tuners, fluorocarbon strings, bone nut and saddle. Got some little strap buttons here. And I like mahogany. It's kind of both warm and mellow, but also plenty bright. So yeah, this is number 959, and it's going off to our little list of Scout customers. Cheers.